Hi friends, welcome to another video about another multi-bagger pick. I am really happy to know that many subscribers liked my videos about RVNL, JBM Auto and all of which we identified at the earlier stages. Thank you for your support. Please share these videos with your friends and support our channel. Today we are going to discuss about BHEL, a PSU company. Let us have a deep understanding of BHEL. Established in 1964, BHEL is India's largest engineering and manufacturing enterprise in the energy and infrastructure sector. BHEL has a market cap of 32,000 crores and trading at current market price of 92 rupees. BHEL does business in the following sectors. Number one, power equipments for hydro, solar, thermal, gas, and nuclear power plants. Number two, transportation. Power equipments for power trains and Vande Bharat trains. Number three, defense and aerospace. Number four, oil and gas. Number five, new sectors like battery energy storage systems and EV chargers and charging infrastructure. Let us analyze these sectors in detail. Number one, power sector. BHEL manufactures, installs, and commissions power plant equipments for nuclear, gas, thermal, solar, and hydro power plants. BHEL manufactures and supplies emission control equipments for coal based power plants also. Number 2, transportation sector. IGBT based propulsion equipment, electric transformers for electric trains, engines for electric trains up to 6,000 horsepower, engines for electric diesel trains up to 3,000 horsepower. Number 3, defense and aerospace sector. Strategic equipments for Indian Defence Forces, including Super Rapid Gun Mount and Integrated Platform Management Systems for Indian Navy, compact heat exchangers, space grade lithium ion cells, space grade solar panels, and space grade batteries, etc. Hot forming of spacecraft propellant tank, forming of titanium shell or domes, welding and machining of titanium sheet and tubes. Number 4, renewable energy sector. EPC solutions from concept to commissioning for grid connected and standalone solar PV applications, including floating solar power plants. Number 5, energy storage solutions and new business areas. Electric vehicle chargers and associated electrical systems, EPC solutions for electric vehicle charging stations, including solar based EV charging stations and battery energy storage systems. Transmission. BHEL installs and commissions EHV substations ranging up to 765 kilovolt, UHV substations and HVDC converter stations up to 800 kilovolt, power transformers, shunt reactors, vacuum switch gears, gas insulated switch gears, flexible AC transmission system devices, etc. In simpler words, these equipments are required for power transmission network. Now, let me tell you the reasons for selecting BHEL as our next multi-bagger pick. Reason number 1, the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of Government of India with focus on making in India for India as well as making in India for the world is providing huge opportunities to Indian manufacturing industry, especially in critical sectors like energy, defense, aerospace, transportation, etc. Also, India as well as world nations are in a continuous focus to reduce carbon emissions. India is planning to become a net zero emission country by 2050. As a part of that, country plans to diversify the power generation mode. Instead of using coal, now our country plans to use nuclear, hydro and solar power to generate more power to meet the exponentially increasing power demand in the country. India is planning to generate more power and expand the power transmission network. Here lies the importance of BHEL. BHEL provides the equipments required for the power generation and transmission, generators, turbines, and all equipments for power generation in solar, hydro, gas, as well as thermal power plants. Reason number two: Indian Railways have initiated one of the most important modernization programs in its history with a large scale shift from conventional diesel engine trains to electric train sets, as well procurement of high HP locos and modernization of signaling systems. BHEL has been an important supplier to Indian Railways with a substantial share of the locomotives and EMUs carrying a range of BHEL equipments. BHEL is also one of the players to develop, install, and commission EV charging stations and related infrastructure. Reason number three: in changing world relations, it is important to modernize our weapons. In the defense sector, BHEL has been supplying a wide range of specialized equipment and systems for various applications for the past 5 decades. Your company has taken up indigenization initiatives for upgraded SRGM, that is the main gun on Indian warships, heat exchangers for fighter aircrafts and helicopters, permanent magnet motor technology based products, and propulsion systems for submarines and warships, amongst others. It has recently signed an MOU with a leading international OEM for manufacturing state of the art electric propulsion system for Indian Navy ships, which are more efficient and offer several tactical advantages. Reason number 4: another one fact about BHEL is the company is developing green hydrogen reactors, which has a huge scope, I believe. Number 5, coal gasification. That means converting coal to make gas is also another technology in focus on account of the potential to convert syngas derived from coal into a variety of chemicals which are currently imported, as well as to power IGCC power plants. BHEL has indigenously designed and developed a prototype air pollution control tower APCT, and the same has been installed in Noida city on pilot basis. Company also focus in battery energy storage systems. I hope you got a fair idea about what BHEL is doing and why I select BHEL. I believe that if BHEL can take advantage of the government policies on Atmanirbhar Bharat, it may give us multifold returns. Let us move to the final session of our video, technicals of the company. This is the monthly chart of BHEL. We can see that the price followed a downtrend from 2011 to 2020. After that, we are seeing a good fight from BHEL against the bearishness. I would say till this second, BHEL has succeeded in that. From 2020 onwards, BHEL is following a higher high pattern. The next resistance of BHEL is at 107 followed by 121 rupees. I would say BHEL is a safe investment once it closes above 121 rupees. If you are a risk taker, you may consider BHEL at CMP with the help of your financial advisor and wait for further actions. As per my assumptions, BHEL will be a very slow wealth creator. It may test your patience, but it will not disappoint you. Happy investing.